Hello friends, today we are facing one of the most difficult time in our life because of the very contagious coronavirus. It needs extraordinary measure to tackle this virus successfully. As we all know, both federal and state government are doing their best to prevent the spread of this virus. Therefore, I'd like to thank wholeheartedly to our state government, chief minister, um, doctors, nurses, medical staff, police, and others who are doing their best to fight against this contagious virus. I would like to appeal to all my friends in Sikkim to follow the instruction of government and medical experts seriously because this is the only way how we can prevent such dangerous disease. And as they advise, we should try to stay at home unless it is really necessary. And also, it is important to keep social distancing. As a Buddhist, we believe Sikkim is a very unique place. It's the hidden place of Guru Padmasambhava. So during the time of need, as Guru Padmasambhava predicted, the time of degeneration, when we see such as the outbreak of epidemic, this is what happening today. So we should pray wholeheartedly to Guru Padmasambhava, Tara, and Medicine Buddha to acquire freedom from this contagious disease. Thank you, Tuji Che.